Students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 4th. Here we are going to continue chapter number 1, that is Building with Bricks, part 7. So, let's start with question number 16, that is complete the table. Given table shows the relation between number of bricks and cost of bricks. Fill the boxes to complete the sentence. Now we need to understand first question, then we will solve all these boxes. Let's start. Question number 1. If the cost of 3000 bricks is rupees 6000, then the cost of 1500 bricks is rupees question mark. In first question, we are given here 3000 bricks cost is rupees 6000. That means 3000 bricks की प्राइस कितनी है 6000. देन हम लोग को 1500 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस क्या करनी है फाइंड करनी है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. Let's see. 3000 bricks price is rupees 6000. So 1500 bricks की price कितनी होगी? That means question mark. Now again here we are going to cross multiply this. So 6000 multiply by 1500 and then divide with 3000. This is called a cross multiplication method. So you can see in this 6000 multiplied by 1500 divided by 3000. So I am going to solve this question. So let's see. 6000 multiplied by 1500 divided by 3000. Now we are going to cut first zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Then here 1, 2, 3. Now everyone knows that 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So here 2 multiplied by 1500 is remaining. So now we need to do 2 multiplied by 1500. So you can see here, as already I have solve this. So 2 multiplied by 1500 is 3000. The working of 1500 multiplied by 2 is here. 2 zeros are 0, then 2 zeros are again 0, 5 twos are 10, 1 carry, and 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. So the 1500 bricks cost is rupees 3000. Let's see question number 2. If the cost of 2000 bricks is rupees 4000. यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है 2000 bricks की प्राइस कितनी है 4000. Then the cost of 1000 bricks is rupees dash. Now we need to find this 1000 bricks cost. Let's solve it. So you can see here we have given 2000 brick price is rupees 4000. So we need to find 1000 bricks cost, that means question mark. Now again we are going to cross multiply here. So 4000 multiplied by 1000 divided by 2000. Let's see how we are going to calculate this. 4000 multiplied by 1000 divided by 2000. Now again we are going to cut the zeros first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. In 2's table 4 comes on seconds. So 2 twos are 4. Again we are going to multiply this 2 with this remaining 1000. So 2 multiplied by 1000 equals to 2000. As you see here, I have already calculated this. So your answer is 2000. Again, there is, you can adopt other methods also to solve these sums. So ultimately the answer is 2000. So cost of 1000 bricks is rupees 2000. Let's see question number 3. If the cost of 4000 bricks is rupees 8000, then the cost of 1000 bricks is rupees dash. Now we are having here कॉस्ट ऑफ 4000 ब्रिक्स, दैट मीन्स 4000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस कितनी दी हुई है 8000. देन द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1000 ब्रिक्स कितना होगा. सो अगर हम लोगों को 1000 ब्रिक्स परचेस करने हैं तो उनकी प्राइस क्या होगी. लेट्स सी. यू कैन सी हियर ब्रिक्स एंड कॉस्ट. ब्रिक्स एंड कॉस्ट. ब्रिक्स कितनी है 4000 ब्रिक्स की कॉस्ट इनके सामने कितनी दी है 8000. अगर हम लोग को 1000 ब्रिक्स परचेस करनी है तो प्राइस कितनी होगी, दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क. हियर अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस. सो 1000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8000 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 4000. लेट्स सी हाउ विल कैलकुलेट दिस. सो 8000 multiply by 1000 divided by 4000. Let's calculate this. 0 0 0 were cut. Again here also in 4's table 8 on second place. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So again 2 multiply by this 1000 were remaining. So 2 multiplied by 1000 equals to 2000 is your answer. So you can see here, as I already solved this question. So 2000 is a cost of 1000 bricks. Let's move further. That is question number 4. If the cost of 6000 bricks is rupees 12000, suppose 6000 bricks की प्राइस कितनी दी हुई है 12000, then the cost of 500 bricks. Now we need to find 500 bricks price. Let's solve it. So you can see here bricks or cost. 6000 bricks की प्राइस कितनी दी हुई है 12000. So अगर हम लोग को 500 ब्रिक्स परचेस करने हैं तो उसकी प्राइस कितनी होगी, दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. 500 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12000 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 6000. लेट्स सी कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी 12000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 500 divided by 6000. So again 0 will be cut, 3 zeros cut, then 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Again we got 2 multiply by 500. So 2 multiply by 500 equals to 1000. So you can see here 2 multiply by 500 equals to, the cost of 500 bricks is 1000. 500 multiply by 2. So 2 zeros are 0. Again 2 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. So 500 multiply by 2 equals to 1000 is your answer. Let's move further. Question number 5. If the cost of 5000 bricks is rupees 5000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस कितनी है 5000, देन फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 500 ब्रिक्स. अगर 5000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस 5000 है, देन 500 ब्रिक्स की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. लेट्स सी हियर ब्रिक्स एंड कॉस्ट. 5000 ब्रिक्स कॉस्ट रुपीज़ 5000. सो 500 ब्रिक्स अगर परचेस करने हो तो कॉस्ट कितनी होगी, दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा यहाँ पे. 5000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 500 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 5000 bricks. Let's see. So here 5000 multiply by 500 divided by 5,000. Again we'll cut these zeros. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 0 0 were cut. 5 ones are 5, and again here 1. 5 ones are 5. So you can also directly cut 5,000 ones are 5,000, and here again 5,000 ones are 5,000. So ultimately your answer is 500. So the price of 500 bricks were rupees 500 only. So you can see here rupees 500. Cost of 500 bricks is rupees 500. Now question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 5 questions are in homework. You can solve these questions in your notebook. These 5 questions you need to solve in your homework. Now let's move forward. Question number 17, state true or false. Now we need to find out whether the statement is true or false. Condition is, if a truck can carry 15,000 bricks, then ओके यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, अगर एक ट्रक 15,000 ब्रिक्स क्या कर रही है, कैरी कर रही है, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1, 5 trucks are needed to carry 60,000 bricks. So let's see. So our condition is what? Truck and bricks. One truck can contain 15,000 bricks. Okay. So हम लोग को क्या बोला था? 5 trucks are needed to carry 60,000 bricks. So we'll calculate first. अगर 1 ट्रक 15,000 ब्रिक्स कैरी करती है तो 5 ट्रक्स कितनी कैरी करेगी? तो सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. इफ़ वी डू डिवाइडेड बाय 1 देन उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा कैलकुलेशन में. सो सिंपली हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इट गिव्स अस 75,000. So here what they have said, 5 trucks are needed to carry 60,000 bricks. So this statement is false because 5 trucks are needed to carry 75,000 bricks. For this false statement you need to calculate all these solution for this. Second statement is, 1,90,000 100 bricks can be carried by in 7 trucks. Again we need to take this as a given figure, then we need to calculate the second statement. So यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, 1,90,000 100 bricks can be carried in 7 trucks. Let's see. Our given figure is 1 truck can carry 15,000 bricks. So 7 अगर 7 ट्रक्स ब्रिक्स को कैरी कर रहे हैं तो वो कितने ब्रिक्स कैरी करेंगी? अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15,000. सो 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 अगर हम लोग करेंगे, जस्ट सी हियर आई हैव डन दिस रफ वर्क. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are again 0, 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7 and carry third it will be added in that. So 7 plus 3 10. So if we take 7 trucks in calculation, then the total number of bricks they carry will be 1,05,000 bricks. So our statement is false. 7 trucks में कितने bricks जा सकते हैं? 1,05,000. And what is our statement is saying, 1,90,100 bricks can be carried in 7 trucks. So no, it cannot be carried this many bricks. So this statement is false. Let's see third statement. 7,000 bricks can be carried by 1 truck. So you can see here, if a truck can carry 15,000 brick, अगर एक ट्रक में 15,000 ब्रिक्स जा सकते हैं तो एक ट्रक में 7,000 ब्रिक्स जा सकते हैं कि नहीं जा सकते? येस, ऑब्वियसली। अगर एक ट्रक की स्पेस 15,000 की है, अगर हम लोग उसमें 7,000 ब्रिक्स डाल रहे एक ट्रक में, सो येस इट कैन बी पॉसिबल। सो द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। Let's see statement number 4. 10 trucks will not be able to carry 3 lakh bricks. Again we need to go through with the first statement that if a truck can carry 15,000 bricks, then एक ट्रक में 15,000 ब्रिक्स जा रही है, देन अगर हम लोग 10 ट्रक्स का कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो दे कैन और कैन नॉट बी कैरीड 3 lakh bricks. Let's see. So you can see here truck and bricks. One truck carries 15,000 bricks. Okay, so 10 trucks में कितना जाएगा? तो simply cross multiplication will be there. 15,000 multiplied by 10 equals to, it gives 1,50,000 bricks. So our statement is saying 10 trucks will not be able to मतलब वो 3 lakh bricks कैरी नहीं कर सकते. दैट मीन्स दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, बिकॉज अगर हम लोग 10 ट्रक्स का 15,000 ब्रिक्स के साथ कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं तो वो कितना दिखा रहा है? 1,50,000. दैट मीन्स 10 ट्रक्स can only carry 1,50,000 bricks. It cannot carry 3 lakh bricks. So the statement is saying that will not be able to. That means this statement is true. Let's see next question, that is question number 18. You are given one table here. Now you need to understand this table and you need to find out the answer of these 5 questions. Let's start. Observe the following table and answer the given questions. Cost of bricks per 1,000. That means यहाँ पे जो प्राइजेस दी हुई है वो पर 1,000 के हिसाब से दी हुई है. दैट मीन्स लेट्स सी, अगर सपोज 1,000 ब्रिक्स है, पर 1,000 बोला है, दैट मीन्स 1,000 ब्रिक की प्राइस कितनी है? 15,000 इन मुंबई. 10,000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस है इन दिल्ली. 1,000 ब्रिक्स की कोलकाता में प्राइस है 5,000. अगेन 1,000 ब्रिक्स की अहमदाबाद में प्राइस कितनी है? 4,000. एंड सेम इन चेन्नई द 1,000 ब्रिक्स कॉस्ट इज रुपीज 6,000. With the help of this table we need to understand these 5 questions. Let's see one by one. Question number 1. If a person wants to buy 500 bricks from Delhi. Now सबसे पहले किसका कैलकुलेशन है? दिल्ली. सो दिल्ली में पर 1,000 ब्रिक की प्राइस कितनी है? 10,000. पर 1,000 की प्राइस कितनी है यहाँ पे? 10,000. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट, अगर उसको 500 ब्रिक्स परचेस करने तो उसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा. So let's see here bricks and cost. 1,000 bricks की प्राइस दिल्ली में कितनी थी? 10,000. एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू परचेस 500 ब्रिक्स. उसको कितना बाय करना है? 500 bricks. So again here we are going to cross multiply this. So in cross multiplication 500 multiplied by 10,000 divided by this 1,000. So you can see here 3 zeros were cut here and 3 zeros were cut here. So simply 500 multiplied by 10 equals to 5,000. Simply 500 multiplied by क्या करेंगे? 10. It gives you rupees 5,000. So simply 500 bricks cost is rupees 5,000 he need to pay. See question number 2. If a person wants to buy 2,000 bricks from Mumbai, then find the total cost of those bricks. Now here we need to understand the bricks cost rupees in Mumbai. So let's see, अगेन टेबल पे आ जाओ. मुंबई में 1000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस कितनी है? 15,000. एंड सपोज अ पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू बाय, एक पर्सन को कितना बाय करना है? 2000 ब्रिक्स क्या करना है? बाय करना है. सो लेट्स सी. सो यू कैन सी हियर इन मुंबई 1000 ब्रिक्स प्राइस कितनी है? 15,000. सो द पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू बाय 2000 ब्रिक्स. सो 2000 ब्रिक्स की प्राइस कितनी होगी? दैट मीन्स question mark. Again we need to cross multiply here. So 2000 multiply by 15,000 divided by 1000. As you all know, again यहाँ पे क्या होंगे? 3 zeros कट होंगे. सेम. सो कितने बचे? 2000 multiply by 15. So 2000 multiply by 15 again. The rough work is here. 2000 multiply by 15. First of all, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So again 5 multiplied by that 3 zeros gives you 3 zeros, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So the total is 30,000. You can also simplify this as 2 multiplied by 15 gives you 30, and remaining 3 zeros on it. So 30,000 price he need to pay for these 2000 bricks. Let's see question number 3. Find the total cost of 1000 bricks from both Chennai and Ahmedabad. As you people know that this calculation is on the basis of 1000 bricks. So simply हम लोग को क्या फाइंड करना है? टोटल कॉस्ट, वो भी चेन्नई और अहमदाबाद की. सो सिंपली वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द प्राइस ऑफ चेन्नई प्लस द प्राइस ऑफ अहमदाबाद. लेट्स सी, टेबल में देख लेते चेन्नई एंड अहमदाबाद. सो चेन्नई की प्राइस है 6000 एंड अहमदाबाद की प्राइस है 4000. सो सिंपली 6000 प्लस 4000. So the calculation is here. 6000 plus 4000, it gives you 10,000. So total of Chennai and Ahmedabad, both the cities, is rupees 10,000 on 1000 bricks. Let's see question number 4. What is the difference between per 1000 cost of bricks from Chennai and Kolkata? Now we need to concentrate on Chennai and Kolkata. In Chennai, per 1000 brick cost is rupees 6,000, and in Kolkata the per 1000 brick cost is rupees 5,000. First of all, what do you mean by difference between? In mathematics, difference between, that means you need to subtract these two numbers. The first number is 6,000 and the second one is 5,000. So you can see here 6,000 minus 5,000, it gives you 1,000. So the difference between per 1000 cost of bricks from Chennai and Kolkata. So 1000 is your difference. Let's see question number 5. Find the difference between per 1000 cost of bricks from Mumbai and Delhi. So let's see Mumbai and Delhi. Again we need to find the difference. So if we see Mumbai per 1000 brick cost is rupees 15,000, and in Delhi per 1000 bricks cost is rupees 10,000. We need to find the difference of these two. So simply, what do you mean by difference between? We need to subtract these two numbers. Let's see. See here, 15,000 minus 10,000, it gives you 5,000. So 15,000 minus 10,000 is 5,000. So the difference between per 1000 cost of from Mumbai and Delhi is 5,000. Thank you.